Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. And other stories, Zimbabwean dancehall musician Enzo IshalI is today celebrating his wife Melissa Mafadzwa's birthday. Melissa, a model and influencer, has turned 24 years old. She was born on the 25th of January 2002. She and her husband got engaged on January 25, 2022 and later tied the knot in a traditional ceremony in June 2022. The couple has a son named Daniel Makum, born in July 2023. Enzo IshalI has been quite open about his love and admiration for Melissa, even dedicating songs to her like Zuva Risingadzoke. He's been vocal about his commitment to making his current marriage work and has been sharing sweet moments with Melissa and their son on social media. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.